Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Ethereum address in Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Make sure your wallet is already set up and secured. You should see your main wallet interface, which lists all your cryptocurrency assets. This process is straightforward and takes only a few moments to complete, ensuring you can receive Ethereum quickly and efficiently. Once inside your Trust Wallet, scroll down your list of assets until you find Ethereum, often abbreviated as ETH. Tap on this asset to open its dedicated page. Here, you will see several options including send, receive, buy, and swap. We are interested in receiving funds, so the next step will focus on that specific action. Now tap on the Receive button. This action will immediately display your unique Ethereum wallet address. You will see a long string of alphanumeric characters, which is your public address. Additionally, a QR code will appear, which can also be scanned by others to send you Ethereum. This address is crucial for anyone wanting to send you ETH. To easily share your address, simply tap the Copy button located below the QR code. This action copies the entire address to your device's clipboard. You can then paste it into an email, a messaging app, or directly into another exchange or wallet where you are sending funds from. Always take a moment to double-check the first few and last few characters of the address to ensure accuracy before confirming any transaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.